Welcome back to World Coins Explorer, the ultimate channel for rare, historic, and fascinating coins from around the globe. Today, we're taking you on a journey to Afghanistan to explore one of its most intriguing coins, the 2 Afghani coin. This unique coin tells a rich story of Afghan history, culture, and national identity. Whether you're a seasoned coin collector or just someone curious about global currencies, this video will give you deep insight into the symbolism, design, and historical significance of this Afghan currency. We'll look at both sides of the coin, decode the inscriptions, and provide all the technical details including metal composition, weight, diameter, and the coin's year of minting. So sit back and enjoy this detailed dive into the world of Afghan numismatics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss another episode from World Coins Explorer. The Afghan 2 Afghani coin shown here is a classic representation of the country's early 1990s currency. The reverse side features the large numeral 2, which is the Persian numeral for 2, symbolizing the coin's denomination. Above the numeral is the word dwy, which is Pashto for 2, and below is the word Afghan, indicating the country. Flanking the central number is a wheat stalk on the left and 3 stars on the right side of the coin. These elements symbolize prosperity, agriculture, and national unity. The design is simple but meaningful, showcasing symbols that speak directly to the heart of Afghanistan's heritage. Turning to the obverse side of the coin, we see an impressive depiction of an eagle with wings fully spread, perched atop a pedestal. Behind the eagle are radiant sun rays that symbolize a new dawn or future. Above the eagle is the inscription in Persian script, Afghanistan Bank, which translates to Bank of Afghanistan. This signifies that the coin was issued by the central bank of the country. The date at the bottom reads 1340 in the Persian calendar, which corresponds to 1961 in the Gregorian calendar. This helps us pinpoint the era during which this coin was minted and circulated. The coin is made of a copper-nickel alloy, which gives it a silver-like appearance. This material is both durable and cost-effective, making it suitable for widespread circulation. The diameter of the coin is approximately 25 millimeters, and it weighs around 5 to 6 grams. These physical characteristics made the coin easy to carry and use for everyday transactions. At the time, 2 Afghanis had significant purchasing power, especially in local markets and for small-scale trade. The solid feel of the coin also added to the public's trust in its value and durability. The presence of the wheat stalk is a nod to Afghanistan's strong agricultural roots. Agriculture has long been the backbone of the Afghan economy, and wheat in particular is one of its most important crops. By featuring it prominently on the coin, the government was highlighting the importance of farming to the country's identity and sustainability. Similarly, the eagle symbol on the other side is a timeless representation of strength, vigilance, and national pride. It is also a subtle reminder of the nation's resilience in the face of adversity and change. During the 1960s, when this coin was minted, Afghanistan was undergoing significant reforms in modernization under King Zahir Shah. The economy was opening up, and there were efforts to develop infrastructure and institutions. Coins like this were not just monetary tools. They were a reflection of national aspirations. This particular design was meant to inspire confidence in the country's future and promote a sense of unity among its diverse ethnic groups. The use of both Pashto and Persian elements on the coin reflects Afghanistan's linguistic diversity. From a collector's perspective, the 2 Afghani coin is a valuable piece of history. While it's not made of precious metals, its historical and cultural value makes it a sought-after item for those interested in Middle Eastern or Islamic coinage. Depending on its condition, it can fetch a modest price on numismatic markets. Coins in mint or uncirculated condition are naturally more valuable than heavily circulated ones. If you're lucky enough to find a version with minimal wear, crisp details, and no corrosion, it's definitely worth adding to your collection. To wrap up, the Afghan 2 Afghani coin is much more than just a piece of metal. It's a symbol of national identity, economic history, and artistic expression. It offers a glimpse into Afghanistan's aspirations, culture, and resilience during a transformative period in its history. For collectors, historians, and curious minds alike, this coin serves as a miniature time capsule. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the story behind the coin, make sure to leave a comment and tell us what coin you'd like us to feature next. Thanks for watching World Coins Explorer, where every coin